Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Joyce and today I'm going to share with you how you can make vegan fish. It's really yummy and it has very few ingredients and you can make it in less than 30 minutes. I'm gonna show you what ingredients you need for this recipe. First of all, you're gonna need some hearts of palm. You're gonna need some white beans. Okay, I have some leftovers here, so we're gonna use these ones. And you're gonna use some nori or seaweed sheets. Okay, so this is how they look like, the Nori Sheets. So you're gonna need 2 of these. Okay, we are going to use some whole wheat flour and you're gonna have the exact amount of the ingredients on the description box. We are going to need also a food processor. Okay, first of all, we're going to put some white beans on our food processor, and this is half a cup of white beans. And if you don't know how the hearts of palm look like, this is how they look like. This is the heart of palms, so you will be using 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, these are 4 hearts of palms and half a cup of white beans. Now we're going to use our seaweed sheets, these ones. We're going to just I just fold them this way, and what I just do is just fold them this way, and then I just cut them like this, as if it was a sheet of paper, and put them like so. Okay, and then you're going to cover your food processor. And then we're going to start processing here. And if you notice here the texture, where we need to mix all these Nori Sheets here more, but if you see the texture of the heart of palms, of the hearts of palm, it looks like a tuna or like kind of fishy. So let's continue mixing. Okay, so I'm going to use a fork just to mix it a little bit and help the food processor a little bit with this. There are some parts that are already in very good shape. Okay, so the hearts of palms are a good way of getting some protein, plant-based protein, so it's a really good source for that. Okay, so let's continue mixing. It's looking good and it smells delicious because the Nori Sheets makes them a really smell like fishy, so it's this is a really nice texture already. So I'm just gonna mix it a little bit more. Now, one tip for the leftovers of the hearts of palm, what I suggest is to just put them in a container and just use a little bit of this water that it came with them, and you can just pour a little bit so they can last longer. but I wouldn't suggest to use them after a week there. The next step is to pour the mixture that we had from our white beans, the hearts of palm, and the seaweed, and we are going to transfer it to a bowl. Now we are going to use half a cup of whole wheat flour and put it on our mixture, and we're going to use some spices that you like. So in this case I'm going to use the organic no salt seasoning. I got these from Costco, so I'm going to use this a little bit, and I'm going to use a little bit of pepper, black pepper, and I'm going to use a little bit of salt, sea salt, and then I'm going to mix it. At this point we should turn on our stove, because we are going to use a pan, a heated pan, and we need it warm enough so we can fry our vegan fish. Now we're going to use a little bit of almond milk. I used almond breeze, and this is the original. Okay, so I'm gonna use just a third of a cup, and I might not need it all. This is just to try to have like an egg consistency. I'm going to use a little bit of garlic salt or powder, so I'm gonna pour a little bit here. And for the breading, we're going to use some oat flour, and I'm going to use 4 tablespoons to bread my fish. Now we're going to use a little bit of avocado oil. I use this brand, is Chosen Foods from Costco as well. I'm gonna use a tablespoon of avocado oil. Okay, and this is the way I like to set it up. So I have my dough here, and then I have my milk here, and then I have the flour, and then I just transfer them to my pan here. I'm going to be making some little rectangles so I can get the shape of my breaded fish. Okay, so I'm going to be shaping up these ones like this. You can get creative and make the shape that you want. I just make it simple. Okay, so nothing here. This is the rest of the milk that I got from my 1/3 of a cup of almond milk, and this is what I have, the leftovers that I have from my oat flour, and this is how they're looking so far. Okay, and I'm gonna need a little bit more oil. As you can see, it's dry up already, so I'm going to use a little bit more. Okay, I just added a little bit more of oil, 1 tablespoon, 1 more tablespoon. You're looking great. And this is how it turned out. So I'm going to eat this vegan fish with some broccoli, and I added some salad. This is just lettuce, onion, tomato, and avocado. I just used lemon as dressing and a little bit of sea salt and pepper, black pepper. So this is delicious, and it's a very, very complete and healthy meal. This vegan fish turns out amazing. It's really tasty, and what it gives the fishy flavor is the seaweed. So this is a key ingredient in this recipe. You can prepare this dish and add some different sides, like you can add a salad, or you can add some rice. And the thing that I like the most, like in my tortilla recipes, is that you get to eat a lot for a single serving. So the recipe that I just shared to you, it's for 1 person serving, so you can eat it all. Let me know if you have any questions about the ingredients, and if you would like me to do more videos like this. Let me know if you like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. See you the next time.